Ayan, thank you. When I feel like the world's gone mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are, I cry these tears. On our own, we've been so far. We've soared at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love will through. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I've stared at these walls before, and they will be blue. All alone in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can't count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or when. No looking back. You every time. Who is my worried mind? You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere would do, long as it's close to you. Oh. Wow! Bumalik ulit. Pasensya na po, bigla nga bumalik ka, pagka-end. Hindi ko naman hindi pa ako nakakapag-end. Siya na mismo yung pusa. Grabe. Grabe yung cellphone ko, siya yung pusa. Na hindi nagpaalam po sa akin. Ayun, tinanggal ka yung jacket ko, no? Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or where. No looking back. Count on you every time. Who is my worried mind? You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. Now, oh now, we've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, As the years go by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. Ay, paborito pala ni Sir Flor. Laro yan. So, thank